Welcome to ClockInMaster. In this guide, the staff app, your team clocks in from their own phone. Your team does not need access to your dashboard. They need their own app. The staff app is a separate free download that lets each person see their shifts, clock in and out, and check their hours without seeing anyone else's pay or your reports. There is a QR code for each platform. Android on the left for the Google Play Store, iPhone and iPad on the right for the App Store. Your staff scan the one that matches their phone so nobody ends up on the wrong store page. The instructions are on the screen, so you can turn a monitor around and let people scan it in the break room. Open the camera, point it at the code, tap the notification, install from the store. 4 steps, no typing, no links to send. Once installed, each person sees their own shift schedule, clocks in and out, tracks their hours as they work, gets workplace notifications, and can look at their own timesheet. Everything they need and nothing they should not see. One thing to do before they download it: each staff member needs a phone number and a PIN on their record because that is how they sign in. You set those in Staff Management. There is a separate video for adding your team. That is it. Download the app now from the Play Store or App Store and take control of your business.